friends, welcome to my channel Tech Spirit. Today we have come with another video on how to use any root apps on any Android devices. Especially this I am going to download a software which this software helps to on any root devices. So let's begin this video. First, before 2019, this software was available on Play Store. This app was available on Play Store, but today, as of 2020, they have been removed. For that, you have to go to the Chrome and go to the vmos.com. Here, vmos.com. The link is in the description. Here you can see a 1.0.63 APK download. Click on it. Click on OK. See, it is downloading. It's of 312 MB. So as of now, it's being downloaded. It takes a little time. Let's wait for 1 minute. Here you can see virtual Android on Android dependent system geeks favorite. This app is nothing but before that I will show you that my device is not rooted. For that, let's open the root checker app. Let's give an agree. Okay, get started. Verify root. Advanced root checker. See, you can see there is no root here. So let's open this app, and the one is going to be installed. Wait, go fast. The one has been finished. Let's open this. Let's give on install. This is a very good app. You can download it from anywhere you want. The installation process is a very big process here. It takes much of my time. Okay, let's open the app. Here you can see here. Enter vmos. Click on it. New floating window function. Please allow system privileges in the system. Settings, you can cancel it anytime. Click on. Here you can give allow permission. Then go back to the app. And for better experience, safe and fluent usage, please allow vmos to access storage location microphone. To authorize, leave allow to device location, files on the storage, and to record audio, and to take pictures and record video. Then see here the install room to access. It's being unzipping, so let's wait till the unzip process is being done. There's some apps and appear. Let's go back. Click on the skip bar. Click on ROM, and you can see 35%, 38%, 40%. It has become 80%, 85%, 90%, 95%, and that's finished. That comes there. Let's skip this ad. Here it is written that it takes 5 to 10 minutes to start Vimos. Please keep it running in the foreground. This is probably a second space, which means the second space is rooted, but the first space is properly working. That is the main space with the first space. It is no root in the first space, but the second space has the root access. So as of now, the second space also is not rooted. We have to give permission to this also. To give permission, we have to open the settings and give the root permission also. So let's wait here. While this process is going on, please don't skip this process and go to the main menu, because it's written here and in the foreground. Foreground means it should be here itself. If it was written in the background, you may go back. As of now, it has come to 86%. So let's wait. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. Let's wait for that. Let's pause the video from now. Here you can see it has finished to 100%. So let's wait. Your phone storage is being allotted here. If your phone is the space of 8 GB or 16 GB, this may work a little slow. Actually, my phone has a storage space of 128 GB. So you can see the speed of now. Yeah. Now you have to go to the settings here. Here, you can see the apps here. And go to the settings. Scroll down to system settings. And go down, click on about phone, and here you can see build number last. Click on it 8 to 10 times. Yeah, you can see here, click on it until you get a you are now a developer. Go back. You can see a new interface has come, developer options. Click on it. Go down. Okay, where's the root here? Here you can see now the bar has come here. If you want to restart or off, go to the normal space, click on here off. As of now, we have to go back here. You can see every developer option has been on here. As now let's off it and let's on it. Yeah, click on OK. Go back and go to Play Store. Yeah, you can do any other things, and first we have to download the Chrome. Yeah, from here you can search for Google Play Store and download it. and you can Google Play Store. Yeah, first you have to download the Chrome. The video will become a bit longer, so I am saying you what to do it, so you may not get disturbed while listening this video. First we have to download the Chrome. After downloading the Chrome here, download the Chrome and go inside the Chrome, and you should go and download the Play Store in the Chrome. Here you can see it is showing that the Play Store is not downloaded. Yeah, now it is downloaded. Here you have to go sign in here with your Google account. Yeah, you have to sign in with your Google account, and you can download any root app from this Play Store from now. So that's all for today. Bye bye guys, have a good day. So like this video, subscribe my channel, and share this video to all so that they can know about this future. And one more thing guys, if you want to go back to the normal screen, click on off. Vmos will go back to the normal screen here. Yeah, you can see Vmos has come back here. That's all for today guys.